a late night. Our brother is holding up. I said, he beat me. Nothing. Nobody thought. He was beating me. His father thought. What did you do? What did you do wrong? I started thinking of what I had done. Every time he beat me the way his father used to beat his mother. One time, I said we should pay school fees on time. He slapped me, said I should never, ever tell him what to do with his money. Another time, I covered my mouth. He started complaining about my eyes, that they are looking at him somehow. I started looking at the ground. He said, what are you doing in the room? Don't you have work to do? Hey! He beat me in front of all the neighbors, grab his manhood, squeeze it and threaten him. Child! That is not natural. It is not womanly.
See, any woman went through this kind of thing, any woman went quiet, she said the grace for her. Change don't come.
Change don't come.
My God.
My God.
People go here.
People go here.
Cross.
Cross.
They go beat you.
They go beat you.